Hey, this is Mike with Family Handyman. Now the weather is changing from summer to fall, and that's always a signal for me to get up on my roof and clean the gutters. But it's something you need to do at least once a year. You've got a whole year's worth of debris up there, and that can cause some major issues in your house. A few foundation issues and ice dam issues, among others. It's always a good idea to get up there and clear that area. And while you're up there, it's a good opportunity to address some of the issues that your gutters may be having. I got a few easy tips for you. Let's check it out. This is a messy job, so I like to wear heavy-duty rubber gloves, long sleeves, pants, and boots. Next, let's talk about the ladder. You need one that's plenty tall to reach the gutters, and you also need some solid ground. Now, for more stability while you're on the ladder, a stabilizer will be great. In this situation, we're not going to use one because it just won't reach the house. We don't need it this time. It's always good to have a tarp set underneath where you're working. That way you can toss the stuff out of the gutters onto the tarp. Makes it a lot easier to clean up. Now, as far as scooping the debris out of the gutters, I like to use a few different tools. First, this gutter scooper from the home center. It cost me about $3.50, but you don't even need that. You can use a rubber spatula right from your kitchen. It molds to the bottom of your gutters, and it doesn't damage anything inside. And then you just scoop the debris out to clean your gutters. If you come across a spot in the gutter that's sagging, or maybe there's a bad seam, here's one of those spots right here. There's a seam that's kind of falling apart, so I'm going to reinforce it with a gutter bracket. Then once the gutters are clear, get your hose out and then flush the gutters out. So there you go, the gutters are clean. And this is one job that you should definitely have on your to-do list. So for more fall cleanup tips, head to familyhandyman.com.